Okay, guys, Thursday, 8th of June, 2023. Welcome to the pre-US session. So let's check in on what got wrecked yesterday. And quite a few things did get wrecked here. NASDAQ, really the main one, just couldn't hold above this 14, was it 14, 652s quarter. You know, see this area. We talked about this over the last three pre-US videos, and just not able to hold. Bang, down we go. So just marking up a couple of levels I like here. 14,298s for potential longs to come back to maybe 462s, and then maybe more downside to be had on the NASDAQ there. But if we just kind of slice and dice this a little bit differently, we can see generally where we sit in the mix of things. And so, you know, this area here, the low that we got in October 3rd, 2021, really nice line in the sand for the market. We haven't actually hit that yet. So I think, you know, we may pick up some buyers around here as long as we can hold the current lows on day, and then go for the top and then have a little bit of a turn down. But ultimately, you know, it's very hard to be a long-term seller here, seeing that we have this breakout upward on equities. So yeah, what else are we looking at? Actually, just before I go off NASDAQ, yes, that would be like a push up to here around the 462s and then look for a failure down. And I think if it gets to 504s, I would definitely also be seller there. So I like that. I like that. For the shorts. For SPOOs, we go onto the dailies. Similar sort of stuff going on here. You know, that we've broken out, testing back to this area here from July 21. There's a really good line in the sand, the 4284s area. So I think it'll be just in line for us to maybe have another test on the highs, and then further downside to test 4241s on SPOOs. And I'm not really that bearish here, and I don't think I'm just not that bearish at the moment on equities. You know, we have FOMC to come next week, next Wednesday, and I don't think the market wants to do anything drastic until then. So with that, we could probably just be putting in a range here from, I would say, 4241s to 4284s until we get to Wednesday, and then who knows what's going to happen, right? So that's that. And the Dow, yeah, I've been marking this up yesterday. Really nice area, the 33,640s. Unfortunately, coming in at 5:30 when we're all in bed or in the gym or in the breakfast seat, but 5:30, really nice support coming in here. So I think should we get a wee bit of a pullback on the Dow, I still think it's going to be supported, and upside is going to be 33,851s, if not today, tomorrow. So oil, yeah, I'm loving some upper levels here on oil. You know, I did attempt short on this, I think, earlier, but not to be had. As you can see, we are up here, and, you know, a little doji there yesterday. And so, you know, why not further upside? I think we're going to smash up through 74s. Today, though, yeah, I think today 74, even maybe even 74.40s as the targets, you know, and higher. I think generally we've kind of flushed out the downside. I do think we've put in the low for the year there. And yeah, I think more upside on oil. Very hard though, given that we've seen these Saudi cuts amount to not very much, but we are working our way back towards we're kind of well, yeah, we're kind of halfway working our way back to the gap up area when we got the cut. So I think, you know, just the global supply chain picture, production picture, demand picture, it all says one thing. It all says up, but, you know, we're just not getting that crazy bid into oil at the moment. So it's very hard for buyers to stay in here. I think intraday traders are going to be having the best fun rather than trying to hold longer dated positions, non-spread positions, for example. So what else? Gold, I did want to look at gold here as well. Gold breaking down this sort of trend here on gold. Just going to switch to weekly bars. Hopefully you can do this quickly. I don't think it will. Oh, there we go. It did. Let's get gold up there. So on the weekly bars again, yeah, just slipping below this trend. It's kind of such a big trend. I actually think I want to get rid of it for now, because essentially I think there is a very kind of flat-ish bull flag forming here. So look, we're going to be working around 1964s as a level, and that's currently going to be resistance on the upside above PVH. So it'll be interesting to see, should we get there, today, just around here, what sort of level of resistance is going to come in there. I think a nice little short, for 20, 40, 60 ticks would be on the cards there, but then it's kind of finding support on a YPVAH here, so I think further support there should follow through to break out above 1964s over the rest of the week. And that's it. All right, have a good session. Best of luck, guys. Take care.